안녕하세요 여러분, Camilla here. Today I'll be answering the question, how do you say to hold in Korean? There are many different ways to say to hold in Korean. The word 들다 can be used to express the action to hold in Korean. For example, 손에 책을 들다 means to hold a book in your hand. Another Korean word, 잡다, can also be used. For example, 손잡이를 잡다, meaning to hold a handle. You might use this when talking about holding a subway or bus strap. What other Korean phrase would you like to learn? Let us know in the comments below. See you again!